People live on record dialect. You see why this car flooding? In case the gully not cleaning and the G&M were full of garbage, now clean, so that's why it caused the flood out. I'm sure no one go on. See it? Here flood. And the hard water come. Now look at footage. What really are going on? This is the gully. Can't even see how to walk across. And you can't even jump over neither because you drop in there and wash away. So look, that is the setting, people. On the sidewalk there now, higher profile. See there? That's the gully. All well clogged. Awesome. Ah, cheese and peel. All woman shop a flood out. Woman house a flood out star. Let me tell you. George and no star. Watch it. See that? Water bust open the gate. Fly the gate. Fly the people them gate. Footage. So look at footage me and show no what go on. People them see what go on. All of the backyard car out. Liquor road take back. Okay? Yeah, people. This is Union Garden, Kingston 13. Daffodil Road Depon. All of Daffodil Road flood out. See it? Run us up. Back of the gully. Come look now. Live and direct, people. This is gone. See it where the water powerful. It moves the fridge from right here so. Go to right there so. See it people? Life and direct it there. Watch it. All social media forget this one now. Yeah. The government them not work with a community here now. The government them not working with this community. Them for come together with the youth them have a community meeting as youth them can clean the drain them, clean the gully. Gully blocking causes, you know. Yeah, people. Live. Can't go down much further, so I'm going to stop the video, you see it? I upload it all social media that I got to.